Joides Resolution, registered SETCO BP471, is a one-of-a-kind floating Earth sciences laboratory. The ship, with a crew of about 115, left St. John's Harbor in late August 1985 on a significant 8-week voyage in Canada's northern waters. Its mission, to investigate the geological evolution of the Earth. This was the 5th in an extensive series of cruises planned over a 9-year period to different parts of the world. Part of the Ocean Drilling Program, a challenging international effort in which Canada is a full partner with the United States, France, West Germany, and Japan. The co-chief scientists on the cruise were Dr. Shiri Shrivastava of the Atlantic Geoscience Center of Energy, Mines and Resources Canada, and Dr. Mike Arthur of the University of Rhode Island.
We had chosen 3 as the prime targets, or the three prime sites. A site over here in Baffin Bay, and 2 in Labrador, 1 site over here and 1 site over here.
Most scientists believe that the Earth's surface is made up of a series of plates that may move up to 10 centimeters per year. Continents resting on these plates have drifted apart, creating sea basins, from which valuable scientific information can be retrieved using the advanced technology available on board the Joides Resolution. The main reason for probing the Labrador Sea and Baffin Bay sites was to determine past circulation patterns in the corridor between the Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. Nowadays, the water from the Norwegian Sea flows into the Labrador Sea, hugs the western coast of Greenland, then turns around and flows along the Labrador coast. Scientists want to determine whether this was also the case in the past. About 150,000 years ago, Baffin Bay was ringed on 3 sides by glaciers, and when they melted, they deposited sediments that contain evidence of the undersea environment, geography, and circulation. By analyzing core samples of these sediments, the ODP scientists can determine whether the warmer waters of the North Atlantic once flowed through the Labrador Sea and Baffin Bay into the Arctic. If so, the likelihood of deposits of oil and gas being found in the region is much greater than if the circulation had been from Arctic to Atlantic. Once drilling starts on the Joides Resolution, it's a continuing operation. On average, 2 cores are retrieved every hour. The cores are examined by a team of experts, including sedimentologists, micropaleontologists, organic geochemists, and inorganic geochemists. As a partner in the Ocean Drilling Program, Canada is guaranteed berths for 2 scientists on each leg if it wishes to participate. On the Baffin Bay Labrador Sea leg, however, 4 Canadian scientists and 1 technician were on board. They and their colleagues had access to the most advanced high-tech scientific equipment available, including a one-of-a-kind cryogenic magnetometer to measure the changing polarity of the Earth's magnetic field, which has reversed itself many times throughout the ages, making north appear as south on compasses. Scientists don't understand why this happens, but some believe the magnetic field, which shields the Earth from radioactive material, disappears before reversing. If so, this could explain why some life forms have become extinct. The cores from the Baffin Bay site are of special interest. This is the farthest north a seabed hole has ever been drilled, and at 2,000 meters, it exceeds depths previously drilled from a scientific vessel. As cores are analyzed, data from each of the 12 laboratories on the Joides Resolution are fed directly into a computer. The data can be studied from terminals located throughout the vessel, and written analysis and reports are constantly being developed. Preliminary analysis of all samples has to be completed before the vessel returns to port after each phase of research, but in-depth analysis naturally takes much longer, up to 3 years. Canada, with the longest coastline in the world, fronting on 3 oceans, has an obvious vested interest in the ocean drilling program. In addition to providing us with a fuller understanding of our offshore resource potential, participation in ODP strengthens Canada's position as a technologically advanced nation in the global business community. The high technology sector is using the program to test and improve equipment under demanding operating conditions, and will draw on the experience of the program to develop new products. Canadian maritime industries will have direct access to all technical information related to deeper drilling techniques and to equipment developed for the program.
It's interesting that you have this.
The Baffin Bay Labrador Sea Project ended in St. John's in late October 1985. In 1989, the program will probe the sea basins off the coast of British Columbia, so Canada's active interest and participation will continue. As scientists analyze their findings from this expedition, they are more convinced than ever that the ocean drilling program has opened a new era in Earth science exploration.